Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix packet loss in Fortnite and how you can fix low ping as well. So the first thing what I suggest you to do here, if there is a possibility, always use the Ethernet cable, because with Ethernet cable, not a Wi-Fi, your internet will have a stable connection. But if there is no possibility to that, use 5G Wi-Fi internet. If you have the options, for example 4G or 5G, always use a 5G because it has a stronger connection. And also, of course, if you have a maybe bad internet connection, just test it out and then maybe limit some devices or restart your router, and then you need to look if the problem still persists or not, right? And if the problem persists, you're getting packet loss and the high ping, what I suggest you to do here is to go to settings, and then you need to go to apps and then startup apps, and just toggle off all the startup apps that you don't use. And maybe it can basically use a lot of internet connection, like Google Chrome, other mouse and keyboard apps that you basically do not use, but after you start up the computer, it will run automatically. So just toggle it out, a lot of apps that you don't use, and it can help with your packet loss and high ping. And another thing that I suggest you to do here is to always update your operating system. Just go to a Windows Update, check for updates, and if there is an update that you need to download and install it, please do so, and then restart your computer. And you need to look if the problem persists or not. And another thing that I suggest you to do here is you need to go to Device Manager, and then you need to go to, as you can see here, Network Adapters here, and just right click one by one and update all the drivers here on the network adapters tab. And after that, another thing that you can do here is to go to settings, then you need to go to network and internet, and then you need to go to advanced network settings, select your here it should be network reset, and also you can reset all your network adapters to factory settings and press reset now. But if you're using Wi-Fi, keep in mind that you will need to put your password again in order to use internet. With Ethernet cable, you don't need to do anything here. And the last thing that I suggest you to do here is to change your DNS server addresses and try the game. So first of all, you just need to locate your Ethernet or internet connection, and then you need to go to and press on more adapter options, press edit, make sure that Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled, and double click on Internet Protocol version 4, and then select this option, use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server try 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to try 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes and look if you see a difference. And also you can Google out another DNS server and try here. And after you apply all these changes, please restart your computer and let me know if the problem persists or not. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button, and if I did not, you can dislike it as well, and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.